Hello, YouTubers. StarCop97 here, coming to you from my game room. Got this for Christmas. My wife surprised me with an engineer's cap for my model railroad. I think it's kind of spiffy. And I just mentioned to her one night. And lo and behold, 2 days later when Christmas came, I had one. I don't know how she got it so fast, but it's much appreciated. Now, what I'm going to do here in a minute is an unboxing. I want to get on the screen because I haven't seen any of y'all in a long time. What am I going to be unboxing? Well, it's a new engine that I got at an estate sort of sale. A friend of mine took me there today, and it is a Broadway Limited. This is a Pennsylvania Railroad Pensy T1. T1 was the largest and final steam engine that the Pensy Railroad ever built. It's a 4444. It's a very unusual machine. None of them survived. When they were decommissioned, they were scrapped and not a single unit survived. There is a build from scratch foundation out there that's trying to build one from scratch. I wish them the best of luck because I'd love to see this thing on the real rails again. It has a very unique, almost a shark nose, very streamlined. And it served on the Pensy back in the 50s, early 50s. It never made it out of the 50s. As far as I know, it was decommissioned around 55, a year after I was born. I'm also spouting my Jesus tie that my daughter got me for Christmas. So nobody has seen that just yet, but they have seen it now. Anyway, I figured I'd do an unboxing on this. So we'll see y'all in just a few seconds. I'm going to stop this video and splice it in at the beginning, and I'm going to use my wonderful GoPro to try and get the unboxing done, and maybe some sounds even later on. Thank y'all for watching. God bless.
Howdy again, YouTube. Well, here she is, the Broadway Limited Premium N-Scale Steam Locomotive. Like I told you on the introduction, this is the Pennsylvania, or Pensy T1. Largest steam they ever built, and the last steam engine they ever built. So let's see if we can't get this puppy to open up online. And Broadway Limited does some great packaging. Hope she's okay. She looks all right. Very nicely wrapped in plastic. Like I told you, this is a 4444. Very unusual engine, even in its day. It was an unusual engine. There she be. Let me see if I can get that foam to come off. It's going to have to come straight up. So let's put her down like that and bring her straight up. One thing about Broadway Limited, their sound should be fantastic. But there she is looking down from the top. Notice the front here. You'll see it's a little bit of a shark nose. The tender, very accurate, very accurately painted. Where most of the sound probably comes from is the tender, because there's not a lot of room. Side windows are open. But there's the drivetrain. She's a 4444. And I don't know if you'll be able to see the shark nose. Maybe at that angle you can see it pretty well. She's got a definite shark shape to the nose, but there's the Pensy logo on the front. Very nicely done. Good weight to the engine. Good weight to the tender also. Good weight all the way around. I'll put her back down real quick and seal this portion back up. And looks like she came with, yep, some traction tires looks like, and an extra coupler. Not sure those are traction tires, but that might be what they are. As is, she ought to be able to pull quite a few cars also. Not as many as the big boy. Made by the same basic company. Well, no, the big boy's made by Athearn. I stand corrected. But this is by Broadway Limited. It's their Paragon 3 sound system, the Rolling Thunder. Supposed to be an improvement over the Paragon 2. We shall see. But there she is one last time. 4 guide wheels up front, 4 driving, 4 more driving, and then 4 guide wheels in the back. And then a Caterpillar tender. 16 wheels on that Caterpillar tender. Pennsylvania logo and striping is excellent. Absolutely perfect. And looks like she is number 8833. Good number. Anyway, we'll see you around the track in just a little bit, guys. See you soon. Okay, guys, taking a look at a size comparison real quick. Big boy versus the TR1 4444. You can see that the engine on the big boy is quite a bit longer than the 4444 T1. Quite a bit longer. Both impressive engines. Big boy was Union Pacific. The TR1 was Pensy, or Pennsylvania Railroad. We'll see how they haul in a little bit. Right now, I just want to take a little bit of a look at the front ends. You can see that sharp nose on that T1. Yes, indeed, that big boy is a monster compared to the T1. Anyway, that's a pretty good size comparison of them. I'm not sure if I can get a water car for the T1 or not. But let's get ready to get some sounds done. Okay, YouTube. Let's see what the T1 from Pensy has for sound. She looks great on the track. Let's get her started. Okay, she's running and her light's on. Even though I can't read it, her actual number boards actually light up. That is awesome. But unfortunately on a N scale, they're really tiny. Let's see what the bell sounds like. Good sounding bell. Paragon really does a good job, I think. Here's her whistle. I really like the way that whistle wanes off on the end. It doesn't just automatically stop, it kind of wanes a little bit. Let's see if we can get some lumberyard sounds. How about some industrial sounds? Not too much there. How about if we were out on the farm? Maybe in the city.
Sorry, they got a switch problem down at 119 and a bunch of traffic coming.
And basic radio sounds.
I don't know if he'll be able to come out or not, but that's all I got today. Okay. I'll give you all after he gets by then. Thanks.
How about some freight announcements?
Probably gonna be late. How much work? Have you got any OT on your train? We're all fixed up. You're ready to go.
If I ever get some passenger cars. Oh my goodness. How about if I'm doing a grade crossing? What's the horn going to sound like? How about we shovel in some coal and get this puppy started? Let's see how she does on speed. Just increase her a little bit. Low speed's pretty good. Increase her up to 2. There she is on 3. Here she comes on 4. Well, so far I'm very pleased with the sounds that she makes and the way she handles. So she's doing a really good job. That's for sure. Well, that's enough sound testing. It's going to be kind of a long video. I apologize, guys. But there she is. We'll see what she can do. I kind of like her. Star Cop out. Y'all have a good night. Happy New Year, folks.